If you're upgrading to a 12th Gen Intel Core processor, the ASUS Motherboard with the Intel LGA 1700 socket is built to meet your needs. It supports PCIe 5.0 and DDR4 memory, delivering a solid foundation for powerful computing and smooth Windows 11 integration right out of the box. What sets this motherboard apart is its enhanced power solution. Equipped with a 10+1 DrMOS design, ProCool sockets, alloy chokes, and high-quality capacitors, it ensures stable and efficient power delivery. This means your system runs reliably, even under heavy loads or overclocking conditions. Cooling won't be an issue thanks to the comprehensive setup. Large VRM heatsinks, flexible M.2 heatsinks, and PCIe heatsinks work together to keep temperatures in check. Plus, hybrid fan headers and Fan Xpert 4 software give you precise control over your system's airflow for quieter, cooler operation. Connectivity is future-proof with PCIe 5.0 support, Intel 1 Gigabit Ethernet, and multiple USB options including USB 3. 2 general 2x2 Type-C and front panel USB 3. 2 Gen 1 Type-C connectors. Thunderbolt 4 header support adds even more versatility for high-speed data and display connections. Memory performance gets a boost through ASUS Optimum 2 technology. This proprietary trace layout lets your RAM run at higher frequencies with lower voltages, maximizing system speed without sacrificing stability. It's a smart upgrade for gamers and creators who demand more from their setup. The motherboard is also designed with PC DIYers in mind. Features like PCIe 5.0 SafeSlot and QLED diagnostic codes make installation and troubleshooting straightforward. It's a compact, attractive board that fits modern builds without compromise. Users in the United States praise its BIOS options, including AI overclocking and XMP support, which help fine-tune performance effortlessly. One owner noted how well it handles the i7-12700KF processor after updating all chipsets and drivers, a key step for smooth operation. If you want a reliable, future-ready motherboard that balances power, cooling, and connectivity, this ASUS board is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to build or upgrade your system and experience what next-gen Intel technology can really do.